Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. This is your very first time here. Go ahead and hit subscribe below if you have not yet, baby girl, because I need you to stay around for all of the uploads that I got coming to you. So today I am going to be playing with, trying it on, swatching, all that good stuff, the new Lauralee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. This is the palette right here. I was not that aware of this launch until I ran across Karen, or ITSMYRAYERAYE, her Instagram story, and she was going to launch, and I was like, oh, look at that palette. So I ordered it. It retails for $55. And if this is not the cutest packaging you've ever seen in your life, I don't know what is. And then you open it up, it has 14 pretty shades in there as well. Oh, my hands, y'all can see. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. Also, it matched my nails, you know what I'm saying? A couple of you guys are giving me compliments on my nails. The girl who does them is one of my best friends. Her name is Deb, and on Instagram she goes by Polish Me Pretty. Here's her name right here. So make sure y'all check her out because these nails be on fleek. I love them. Yeah, check her out. Anyway, back to this palette. I did not think this was gonna work for me. Only because when I first saw it on the internet, I was like, that's not gonna show up on my skin complexion. It looks a little light. However, now that I have it, it comes through beautifully. I think it's beautiful for all skin tones, all skin complexions, and I think it's worth the dollars if you are a makeup junkie like me. So if you wanna see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I will see y'all at the end. All right, so I just got this in the mail, and I'm super duper excited about it because I wanted to open it on camera, because once I opened the box, I was like, oh, this is wrapped so nice and pretty. So this is what it looks like coming right out the box, and I think it's like super cute. So I'm about to open it with you guys now. And also in the box, it came with this little postcard. So it has Laura's face on it. The name of the palette is up here, as well as the back. It shows all the names of the shadows, and if you need to use it with glitter glue as well as with a wet brush. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Well, I wanted to do this on camera because I knew it was going to do that and I wouldn't be able to snap it back. So, all right, so this is not the cutest packaging that I've seen ever. Like if you're like a chic girl and you like, you know, like blush nudes and pinks and stuff like that, then this is right up your alley. It's really cute. And it's pretty, Amirah? I know, right?
Oh my doll.
Okay, girl. And pat. There they are. So this is the palette. It's so pretty. Oh. So I am gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera so that I have a good blueprint of what I want to do for you guys, and then I'll do one on camera. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie. It took me about a good 3 to 4. Amirah, how many times did I just do my hour?
About, that one is your third one.
I think this is number 4. I think it took me about 4 times to actually get the look that I wanted, because this palette is just so pretty that I couldn't decide. And then I was doing it and I was like, no, I want to do this. No, I want to do that. So I kept wiping it off and doing it over. But I finally decided on this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you guys. So I've already primed my eye with my concealer. I set it as well, and I'm gonna go in with the palette. I am gonna use the color Butt Naked, and I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And just looking at this palette, I didn't think that this color was even gonna show up this much. So I am extremely impressed with this palette. So from there, I'm gonna go in with the color Nakey, and I'm gonna put that right into my crease. And this is the color that shook me as far as the pigmentation, so I'm just gonna stamp it and then I'm gonna blend it out. So then I'm gonna go in with my cut crease. I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna carve that out, and I'm also gonna set that in place. So the first color I'm gonna take on this palette for my lid is Topless. I'm gonna put that pretty much all over my lid where I have my concealer. And you do wanna make sure that your brush is wet for this as well, because it does do really well with a wet brush. And towards the edges, I'm just gonna taper that off because I am gonna blend that into the smoky eye in a little bit. And towards the inner corners of my lid, I am gonna go into Jaybird, and this is like a foil color. And I don't know if you've ever worked with foil colors, but they kind of act like glitter. So you do want to make sure that your brush is wet for this as well. I messed a little bit with the gold as well, Au Naturel, and it was bomb. But I went ahead and settled with doing this because I was looking a little too extra with Au Naturel. And I kind of wanted a softer type of look for this. Then I'm going to taper this off and blend it in with Topless. So then on the edges, I am going to go back in with Butt Naked, and I'm going to press that into the edges. That's funny. I know I was laughing. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more of Nakey into the crease and into that corner, just to create kind of the smoky eye look that I'm looking for. And I'm gonna blend that out. And this shadow doesn't even have like crazy like fallout, and that's what I'm loving about this. Less fallout is always good. So I have no complaints there, Laura, none at all. So for this look, I did want a very thick wing liner. So I am gonna go in with my ABH Waterproof Creme Color in the color Jet for the outside of this, but towards the inside over that foil, I'm gonna use a liquid liner. Then from there, I'm gonna prep my natural lashes for my falsies and apply my lashes. Oh, y'all, there is makeup. Oh, my hair, Lord, what is happening? Lord. Wipe that with a wipe, it ain't my hair anyway. What you laughing at, girl? All right, guys, so I'm done with the top. You know the drill. I'm gonna finish off my face. Be right back. I am gonna go ahead and finish the bottom of my eye. And for the under eye, I am gonna go back into butt naked. And I'm gonna place that right on my lower lid. And on the outer part of my eye, I'm gonna go back into Nakey. And I'm just gonna make that a little bit deeper. And then with a clean brush, I'm gonna blend that out so it's not as harsh. And then for my tear ducts, I think I wanna make it a little gold. So I'm gonna spray my brush and I'm gonna go into Au Naturel. I might mix that with Jaybird as well, just to bring a little shimmer into this, because I'm real thirsty for y'all to see this Au Naturel color. So that's what we about to do. Then I'm gonna add mascara to my bottom lashes. Then for highlight today, I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics by ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. Then I'm gonna blend out my highlight as well. And for lips today, I do wanna keep it relatively neutral since this is the Nudie Patootie palette. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna go in with a liner and a nude lipstick. And I think we're gonna make this matte. If I can find my liner, you know? That would be nice. And this is the LA Girl lip liner, and I'm also using the Kylie Cosmetics Cosmic lipstick, and this is from her weather collection. And apparently I lied, y'all. This is nude, it's matte, but it's more like on the purplish type of color. I think it looks pretty with this eye, so, and we're done. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I am in love with this palette, and I can tell you the honest to God truth, I did not think that I would be, only because I thought that the colors, like I said before, were gonna be way too light for my complexion. But when I got it and I put it on my face, I was like, yes, I'm happy I spent the money on this palette. Very, very, very happy. I think it's worth $55 if you're a makeup junkie like me. Get this palette. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe below, and I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye.